Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. No need to unmute yourself. Okay, no need to unmute yourself at all. Okay, this is Pooja Pandemis. I'm going to take your psychology, and first I will discuss about the syllabus of your first unit test. Okay, so I'm going to take the first two chapters, that is story of psychology and branches of psychology. Okay, I'm going to start with the story of psychology. So before starting with the subject, we have to understand what is the meaning of psychology. Can anyone tell me? Mayank Thakur, can you tell me what is the meaning of psychology? Do you have any idea, Mayank Thakur? Mayank? Okay, Geeta Gupta, can you tell me?
Miss, can I?
Yes, tell me.
Psychology is a branch of science.
It is a branch of science that I know. What is the meaning of psychology? What is the meaning of psychology?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, certainly.
May I say? Study of human behavior.
This is the study of human behavior. Actually, problem is that when we take a name of psychology, so people thinks that we can read the other's mind. No, psychology is not a subject to read other's mind. It is a subject to understand the human emotions, human behavior. Okay, for example, we all are different. Okay, we all are different. Girls have a different emotions, boys have different emotions, aged people have a different emotions, teens have a different emotions, adult have a different emotions. So psychology gives bifurcation of these emotions, that how a person can respond to a particular situation. Psychology studies that situations in a detail. ओके, बट यहाँ पे ये चीज बहुत स्मॉल में मैंने आपको सिर्फ एक आउटलुक दिया है, बट इन रियलिटी साइकोलॉजी अंडरस्टैंड्स द इनसाइड व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इनसाइड द माइंड, कि वो बंदा अभी इस सिचुएशन में क्या बिहेव करेगा, दैट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई विद द हेल्प ऑफ psychology. Okay, so in this chapter, story of psychology, we are going to cover study of consciousness, study of unconsciousness, study of behavior. In that you have a 3 points: behavior, mental processes, scientific method. Then we have to understand what is behavior, then study of cognition, then psychology as a Indian perspective. Children, psychology के जितने भी बड़ी बड़ी किताबें हैं, you can see that is written by the foreign authors, because they have studied psychology better than Indians. Okay, today we are following their textbooks for psychology. Okay. Oh, okay, Hitesh sir. Okay, so in this chapter, we are just going to understand why we study psychology, what is the requirement to study psychology. अभी आपने एक मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में आजकल बहुत सारी चीजें चल रही है आफ्टर द सुसाइड ऑफ सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. मेंटल हेल्थ, सो मेंटल हेल्थ इज वन ऑफ द ब्रांच ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. Okay, only psychologist can understand the mental health of a person. So that is why in today's time psychology become a very important subject, and it is a branch of science. Okay, so although psychology is very new for us, okay, okay? In terms of study, we are aware of this subject from our childhood. हम लोग बहुत starting से childhood से ही हम लोग psychology हम लोग सोचते हैं कि psychology जो पढ़ते हैं they are mad. No, it is not the case now. Psychology become a very important subject in today's time because we have observing different forms of emotions, behavior, mood. Children, मैं आपको markings दूंगी. You have to mark that, okay? So that is important for your filling the blanks. I will not give the portion, children. Portion will be given by the other teachers. I have already given them a portion, okay? So portion अभी मैं discuss नहीं करूँगी. So children, we have been observing, mark this particular sentence, we have been observing different forms of emotions, behavior, mood of human beings, okay? So हमारे emotions, behavior और हमारे mood हमको situation के लिए react करने के लिए pressure करते हैं. What is my emotion? If I am emotionally disturbed, I will behave negatively. If I am emotionally happy, I will very good, I will give response to the situation. Okay, what is my mood? How I behave in front of everybody. That comes under the study of psychology. And overall, the emotions, behavior, human mood gives us the outlook of human behavior. Okay, now news in the college. Spontaneous blood donation by youth passenger bus accident. Neighbor saves the life. Okay, fine. History of psychology. Now, what was the history? अब आप लोग ने हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट तो पढ़ा होगा where we study the lots of kings and queens and all, many war and all, but psychology also have its own history. What is that history? Psychology is the vast field. What is the meaning of vast field? What is the meaning of vast field?
Miss, may I?
Sada.
Miss, may I?
No, nobody will
Huge
say.
field, huge field, huge field.
Vidhi,
Use fields, vast, बहुत बड़ा.
विधि, कैन यू गिव मी द आंसर? कोई भी अनम्यूट नहीं करेगा, ठीक है? अदरवाइज मैं ग्रुप से रिमूव कर दूंगी. माइंड इट, ओके? मैं
Miss,
जिसका
बड़ा
नाम
field.
वही मुझे आंसर देगा. इफ यू नो
Okay,
द
miss.
आंसर, you can write in the chat box. Okay, no problem. Okay, Ria have given me the answer large. Shruti given me the answer of huge field. Okay, huge field. It is a kind, मतलब ये साइकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट तो है, उस सब्जेक्ट के अंदर भी आई हैव अ लॉट्स ऑफ सब्जेक्ट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई हैव चाइल्डहुड साइकोलॉजी, आई हैव अडल्ट साइकोलॉजी, आई हैव इमोशनल साइकोलॉजी, आई हैव बिहेवियरल साइकोलॉजी. So like that, in psychology, I have lots of other psychology. So this is considered as a vast field of behavior aspects of mankind. This particular sentence is important for the filling the blank. Please mute yourself, children. Okay. Okay. इसने अनम्यूट कर रखा है बच्चा. प्लीज म्यूट करिए. Okay, so Pluto believed that the knowledge is innate, whereas John Locke thought that each child is born as an empty slate. That knowledge is primarily acquired through learning and experience. Okay, so Pluto and John Locke both were the very much great psychologists in history of psychology. So what Plato said, कि जो भी हमारा नॉलेज है वो इनर नॉलेज है. Whereas what John Locke has said, John Locke had said जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो उसको कुछ पता नहीं होता है. He learned and he experienced, then he react to the situation. So this is the Pluto and John Locke definition of psychology. You have to study this. Children, please mute yourself. Nikki Bhagat, Nikki Mehta, mute yourself. Okay, thank you. ठीक है. Now, science of soul. है, माइंड का साइंस है. So the psychology wants mean to be science of branch of knowledge and deals with the soul or mind. Okay, so both soul and mind are abstract concept. Now what is abstract concept? Abstract concept matlab means that we can feel, we cannot touch, we can only feel. That is called what? Abstract. Nikki Bhagat,
Yes, miss.
आपको रिमूव कर रही हूँ.
Yes, miss.
I am removing you बेटा. Okay. So soul and mind are abstract concept. What is the meaning of abstract concept? Abstract concept means, children, the things which we cannot touch, we can only feel that. For example, emotions that we can feel. We हमारी जो यादें होती ना, अरे आज तो पुरानी यादें ताजा हो गई. That is also abstract concept. When we remember about our childhood, that is called what? That is called abstract concept. Now, observation. If psychology is a science, it must be on some sorts of observation and experimentation. So, psychology is a science. Psychology is what? Is a science, and it must be based on some sorts of observation and experimentation. Okay. So whenever we are studying the psychology, we observe the things and we experiment the things. Okay. However, neither the soul nor mind can be observed. So we cannot see or touch them. Children, this particular paragraph is very important. You have to study this. ना तो हम लोग अपने माइंड को टच कर सकते हैं, ना तो हम सोल को टच कर सकते हैं. वी कैन ओनली अंडरस्टैंड द माइंड, वी कैन ओनली फील द इमोशंस. सो दैट इज द एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन ऑफ साइकोलॉजी. नाउ स्टडी ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस. व्हाट इज कॉन्शियसनेस? कॉन्शियसनेस मीन्स, चिल्ड्रेन, द थिंग्स विच वी थिंक. हमारा कॉन्शियस उस टाइम पे हमको क्या जवाब देता है, that is called consciousness. Now, in late 19th century, physician and philosopher William Wundt established the first psychology laboratory. Okay, so in late 19th century, German physician and philosopher William Wundt established the first psychology laboratory in Leipzig University 1879 to study human behavior. He introduced the term conscious experience. He introduced the which term? Conscious experience. Okay, so here we study psychology with the help of experiencing the thing. जितना ज़्यादा experience करेंगे, उतना ज़्यादा we can understand the psychology of others. Please mute yourself, children. Don't unmute yourself. Okay, so what now? We have to understand what is the term conscious experience. The term conscious experience refers to awareness of mental activities of an organism. So children, our mental ability, our mind is one of the important organism. सबसे बड़ा ऑर्गन क्या है? हमारा माइंड है. हमारे माइंड से ही सारी चीजें जुड़ी हुई हैं. So we experience, when we do the mental activities, then only we can experience the conscious. ठीक है? Now, the study of unconsciousness. Now, what is the unconsciousness? Unconsciousness is given by unconsciousness. Dr. Sigmund Freud, an Austrian physician, defined the psychology as a study of unconsciousness. Why he done like that? Because he believed that most of our motives are hidden. मीन्स हम लोग क्या रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं सिचुएशन पे, ये हमारा हिडन होता है, हम किसी को पता नहीं चलने देते हैं. सो जब हमारा वो सडन सिचुएशनल बिहेवियर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? अनकॉन्शियस. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? अनकॉन्शियस. Now, so Sigmund Freud have given unconsciousness theory, and who has William Wundt have given the conscious theory. You have to remember this, children. Okay. Now, what is mental processes? Mental processes, the process which is going inside my mind. Okay, this is my internal behavior. So in psychology we study the external as well as internal factors of behavior. हम लोग external behavior भी इसमें read कर रहे हैं, and we study the internal behavior also, and we study the mental processes of an individual. It includes the memory. मेरा मेमोरी कितना पावरफुल है, फॉरगेटिंग, मैं कितनी चीजें भूल जा रही हूँ, मेरे इमोशंस, मेरे मोटिवेशन. नाउ व्हाट इज मोटिवेशन? ये काम मुझे करना है कि नहीं करना है, दैट काइंड ऑफ मोटिवेशन. अटेंशन, किस काम को मैं कितना अटेंशन दे रही हूँ. एंड परसेप्शन, परसेप्शंस मींस उस पर्टिकुलर इंसान के लिए व्हाट आई एम थिंकिंग, मैंने अजम्पशंस क्या बनाया है कि वो इंसान अच्छा है कि नहीं अच्छा है. मैंने उसको जाना नहीं, लेकिन मैंने ये परसेप्शन बना लिया कि वो इंसान अच्छा नहीं है. That is what? That is the mental processes. मैं उस सामने सिचुएशन के बारे में मेरी सोच क्या है, that is called perception. So mental processes includes memory, forgetting, emotions and motivation, attention and perception. These all together include in the mental processes. So children, just again I'm revising this. In psychology, we study the external as well as internal factor. What is external factor? Situations. The situation which makes us to behave in a particular manner. So this is called what? External factors. What is internal factors? अगर मेरी तबीयत खराब है तो मैं अलग तरह से behave करूंगी. अगर मेरी तबीयत सही है तो मैं अलग तरह से behave करूंगी. This is my internal factor of behavior. Now here, mental study. Mental processes of an individual, it includes what? Memory, forgetting, emotions, motivation, attention and perception. And perception. Okay, scientific method. Now what is scientific method to experience these things? Okay, साइंटिफिक मेथड. एक्सपेरिमेंट, जैसे हम लोग साइंस के लिए लैब में एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, लाइक दैट साइकोलॉजिस्ट और आल्सो कंसीडर एज अ साइकोलॉजिस्ट. साइंस को साइंटिस्ट, साइकोलॉजी को साइकोलॉजिस्ट. Okay, psychologists also have their own laboratory to understand the human behavior. What are their objectives? कि particular situation में how these people can will be able to behave. Okay, so they study all this kind of emotions in the laboratory. So experiment means an individual's objectives observation in controlled condition. Now what is controlled condition? एक कमरे के अंदर मैंने लाइट बंद कर दिया, उसमें 3-4 लोगों को मैंने डाल दिया, ठीक है, और मैंने कैमरा लगा दिया और हिडन कैमरा लगा दिया और मैं स्टडी कर रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने सिचुएशन को कंट्रोल कर रखा है, मैंने कमरे को बंद कर रखा है. सो साइकोलॉजिस्ट ऑलवेज स्टडी बिहेवियर, बट हाउ दे आर एबल टू study that behavior? When they have a controlled conditions. Okay, then only they will be able to study the behavior of other people. Okay, so मैं आपको मार्किंग दे रही हूँ, आप लोग फटाफट मार्क करते जाइए. Now, study of behavior. William Wundt defined the psychology as a study of consciousness. Dr. Sigmund Freud have given the study of unconsciousness. Okay, however here again consciousness and unconsciousness are not observed directly, they are observed indirectly. अगर मैं सामने वाले को बोल दूं कि भाई मैं आपकी ये चीज ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ, तो सामने वाला अटेंटिव हो जाएगा और मुझे प्रॉपर रिजल्ट नहीं मिलेगा. So I will observe without informing that person, then only I am able to understand कि ये उसका consciousness का behavior था और unconsciousness behavior था. Okay, now what is about the John B. Watson? What is about hence the John B. Watson redefined psychology as a science of human behavior. This is very important statement, children. Who defined the psychology as a science of human behavior? That is John B. Watson. You have to learn this. Who given the consciousness? Jyoti Gupta. Can you tell me who given the consciousness theory? Jyoti Gupta will give me the answer. जो आंसर नहीं देगा मैं उसको ग्रुप से रिमूव करूंगी, चिल्ड्रन. So be attentive. Jyoti Gupta. She is not there in the class. Medha Bhati. Medha, Medha, are you there? Kajal, Kajal, nobody is giving me answer. Am I teaching to class or okay, fine. Chalo. Roshni, are you there in the class? Roshni, Roshni, Shruti, Tanushri, Mangesh, anyone is there?
John Watson.
Okay, who given this answer?
John Watson.
Mangesh.
Okay, John Wa. Okay, who have given the concept of unconsciousness?
Sigmund Freud.
Yes.
Dr. Sigmund Freud. Dr. Sigmund Freud.
Okay, fine. Next
Dr.
question.
Sigmund Freud.
Dr. Sigmund Freud.
Okay, next question. Who given the psychology the statement that psychology as a science of human behavior?
John Watson.
John B. Watson.
John B. Watson.
John B.
John B. Watson. John B. Watson.
John B. Watson.
John B. Watson.
Okay, fine.
John Watson.
Watson.
Okay, fine. So now, what is behavior? In general, we can say that behavior is an organism response to various stimuli present in our surrounding. For example, whatever is going on in my surrounding, that affects my behavior. Okay, that affects my behavior. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा heat है, बहुत ज़्यादा hotness है, तो वो मेरे behavior को affect करेगा. For example, climate. If climate condition is favorable for my body, so I will behave towards it positively. If climatic condition is negative for my body, I will behave negatively. So like their behavior, whatever my behavior is there, that is depends on the situation. Okay, now SOR model. What is SOR model? This is very important model. John Watson defined the behavior as anything person, animal does. जो भी हम करते हैं, whatever we do, we eat, the way we eat. हमारा खाना is a very normal thing. But किस तरह से हम खा रहे हैं, that is my behavior. Okay, so whatever John Watson defined behavior as anything a person, animal does that can be observed, recorded, and studied. That can be observed, recorded, and studied. So whenever I'm observing, I'm recording, and I'm studying, that comes under the study of psychology. So behavior is an organism response to any external or internal stimuli. So what is behavior? Behavior is what? Organism. मैं organism हूँ. What is my response to the external or internal stimulus? That is called as psychologist study. Okay. Now, what is the full form of SOR? Stimulus, organism, response. Mute करो, श्रीकांत, शशांक यादव, mute yourself. Okay, so this fact represented by the symbol SOR. So S means stimuli, O means organism, and R means response. Okay, so here stimuli. Teacher asked some questions in the classroom. So who is stimuli here? Teacher. Organism. Rohan, Sanika, Sachin, and Saurabh are the organism. So teacher is asking question to whom? Rohan, Sanika, and Sachin. Response. Gives answer. Remain silent. Sachin ने ignore किया and Saurabh tries to recollect the answer. So यहाँ पे चार बच्चे हैं, चारों ने अलग-अलग तरह से response किया. तो stimuli ने क्या किया? एक ही तरह का environment बनाया, एक ही तरह का question सबसे पूछा. Okay, but organism are different types. Rohan, Sanika, Sachin, and Saurabh. And they have responded differently. Rohan given the answer. Sanika remains silent. Sachin ignores. अरे कोई जरूरत नहीं है. And Saurabh tries to recollect. वो सोचने में time चला गया. So like that, responses are different. Organisms are different, but stimuli means situation is the same. So this is called SOR model. So children, this is the explanation that you all have to study. What is the explanation? Stimulus in any physical event or condition that gives rise to a reaction. The stimuli can be external or internal. Okay. An organism stands for human being or an animal who gives response to the stimuli. So जो organism होता है, that gives response to whom? That gives response to stimuli. Now response is what kind of reaction I'm giving, what kind of reaction I'm giving. So children, this is your theory of SOR that you have to study, and this is the explanation of this particular diagram. Okay, now behavior includes what? Behavior includes overt or covert activities. Overt activities is what? My body movements. Overt activities is what? Body movements. Covert activity is what? मेरी mental processes. For example, यहाँ पे टीचर ने क्वेश्चन पूछा तो सौरभ रिकलेक्ट कर रहा था. So recollect means वो अपने mind में mental process कर रहा था. So वो mental process is called as what? As a covert activity. Okay, covert activity. अगर टीचर ने writing के लिए कुछ दिया होता, so that is called as what? Overt activity. So writing with my body is called as overt activity. But thinking about something, that is covert activity. Okay. Now study of cognition. Now what is cognition? During 1950-1960, focus of psychology shifted from behavior to cognitive process. Cognitive means children thinking process. So what is the simple meaning of cognitive? Means thinking process. Okay. So understand what is cognitive process. So psychologists were interested in studying the process like perception, thinking, memory, and other higher order activities. Okay, so cognitive psychologists are interested to studying the inner process है, वो particular इंसान इस particular situation में क्या सोच रहा होगा. यहाँ पे psychologist experiment कैसे करते हैं? They experiment on real human beings. Okay, they experiment on real animals. Okay, and then they observe and study. Now, what is psychology in Indian perspective? So, Indian perspective के हिसाब से what is psychology? This is very important. So, many ancient Indian thinkers tried to solve the mystery of human mind during the 2000 BC to 500 AC. This is the important date, important for filling the blanks. Philosophers studied the mind and human behavior from different perspectives and tried to explain like soul, mind, intuitions. हम लोग ने इसको थोड़ा सा क्या किया, स्पिरिचुअल वे में अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश किया. आप कभी भी हमारे कोई भी स्पिरिचुअल बुक उठा लो, उसमें साइकोलॉजी की बातें आपको ज्यादा दिखेंगी. वेयर एज मॉडर्न कंट्रीज हैव गिवन दिस कॉन्सेप्ट एज अ साइकोलॉजी. ओके, हम लोग हमारा जो मेडिटेशन है, हमारा मेंटल प्रोसेसेस है, एवरीथिंग इज रिटन इन द योगा बुक, योग बुक एंड ऑल, जो हमारे ऋषि महर्षि सब लिख के गए हुए हैं. बट वी हैव स्टडीड एज अ स्पिरिचुअल वे. But psychologists have studied as a human behavior. Now, all was the part of philosophy. So हम लोग ने उसको क्या किया, अपने philosophy के part में डाल दिया. उपनिषद, so you can understand उपनिषद, वेद, उपनिषद. So ये सारी चीजें क्या है, हमारे psychology से ही related है. So उपनिषद explains, this is very important. Upanishad explains the self and personality structure with the help of concept called kosha. ओके बेटा, ये सब आप लोग को ज्यादा वो करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस इज द संस्कृत टर्म्स. ओके, सो देयर दीज आर द अमाया कोशा, प्रणन्या कोशा, मनोमयं कोशा, विद्या मान्य कोशा एंड आनंदमया कोशा. So these are the, अभी इसी को अगर इंग्लिश में साइकोलॉजी में डाल दिया जाए, so it will be easy to understand for us, but in Sanskrit term we are not able to understand. Okay, so हमारे यहाँ पे साइकोलॉजी बहुत पहले से है, before the Western countries, but we have not studied that properly. We have converted it into the spiritual books, that is called Upanishad, Vedas. Okay, so they also talked about the factors that affect these koshas and also how these koshas determine the human behavior. So these koshas determined what? These koshas determined human behavior. Okay, so aspects of yoga. Aspects of yoga: yama, niyam, asan, प्राणायाम, प्रत्याहार, dharan, dhyan, samadhi. So this is the way where a person can reach to the स्पिरिचुअल वे. समाधि आपने देखा होगा, बहुत सारे हमारे यहाँ पे स्पिरिचुअल गुरुज हैं, दे टेक समाधि बिकॉज दे आर इन अ डीप मेडिटेशन कि वो वापस अपनी बॉडी में आते नहीं है. दैट इज द काइंड ऑफ समाधि. हमारे इंडियन सोसाइटी में ये बहुत पहले से चला आ रहा है. ओके, बट इस चीज को स्टडी हमने वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज के बाद ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट लेना शुरू किया है. सो नाउ पतंजलि एक्सप्लेन द deep thought about psychology, Yoga Sutra, and he was the yogi having a great scientific vision. Okay, so you have to study this also for filling the blank. Okay, so he studied the levels of human consciousness. So Patanjali, who explained this aspect of Astanga Yoga? Patanjali. आपने पतंजलि तो सुना ही होगा नाम. So Patanjali was the one of the greatest yogi who given us the concept of कि योग क्या होता है, आयुर्वेदा क्या होता है. He was the master in Ayurveda. So Patanjali explained the deep thought about the psychology in Yoga Sutra. So you can understand what is Yoga Sutra. Yoga Sutra is equal to psychology. But Yoga Sutra कोई नहीं समझने की कोशिश करेगा. Everyone want to understand the psychology. Okay. So he was the yogi having a great scientific vision. He was yogi. वो scientific नहीं थे. He was not a scientist. He was yogi, but what kind of vision he have? He have a vision of scientific knowledge. Okay, he studied the level of human consciousness. Human consciousness. Consciousness मतलब वो इंसान इस वक्त क्या सोच रहा होगा. That kind of understanding एक योगी में आ जाती थी. That is called a person can study the human consciousness with the help of spirituality. With the help of spirituality. So children, you have to see this: samadhi, dhyan, dharan, pratyahar, pranayam, asana, niyam, yam. Okay. Now, it also helps to control our wishes and desire. So why these things are important? These things are important to control our wishes and desire. If we control our wishes and desire, so we are more prone towards the God. अगर गॉड के पास मुझे बहुत जल्दी पहुंचना है, so this kind of aspects I have to keep in my life. Okay, this is the concept. So many Indian saints and philosophers have made many comments on human and mind behavior. Mind and human behavior. So हमारे संत जो थे उन्होंने बहुत पहले से ही ह्यूमन काइंड्स और ह्यूमन बिहेवियर पे बोलना लिखना शुरू कर दिया था. But at that time no one given the that much importance to this study. But now there is a time where we have to give importance to the study of human psychology, because today mental health become more important than a physical health. Now, Jain Tirthankar, Sant Kabir, Samarth Ramdas, Swami Vivekananda, etc. highlighted the various aspects of human mind and behavior, and it reflects their understanding of human nature. So this particular concept is also you have to study. Okay, goals of psychology. I have to see how much is left. Not much is left. Now, what is goal of psychology? Why did you opt for psychology in 11th standard? That you have to know. What is describe what is happening in prime goal of psychology? Why we have to study psychology? That is the main question in this chapter. The primary goal of psychology is to identify and classify behavior of mental processes. अभी तक हम लोग ने जितने भी अभी तक ये चैप्टर में पढ़ा, at the end हमें क्या समझना है इस चैप्टर से? हमें समझना है अपने खुद के मेंटल प्रोसेसेस को, सामने वाले के मेंटल प्रोसेसेस को, तो ही हम साइकोलॉजी को अच्छे से डिफाइन कर सकते हैं. दैट इज द मेन कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ दिस साइकोलॉजी ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. स्टोरी ऑफ साइकोलॉजी का कॉन्सेप्ट यही है. हाउ डू इंडिविजुअल थिंग्स? व्हाट फैक्टर्स आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू स्टिमुलेट देयर बिहेवियर? हाउ डू इंडिविजुअल रिएक्ट टू अ स्पेसिफिक सिचुएशन? सो ये सारे क्वेश्चन के आंसर कहाँ से मिलेंगे मुझे? After studying, after understanding the psychology only. To know this answer, researcher need to record a particular behavior in socio-economic, cultural, geographical space. Okay. For example, महाराष्ट्र के लोगों का अगर मैं स्टडी करती हूँ, I will get another result. But वही मैं जाके कश्मीर के लोगों का स्टडी करती हूँ, तो I will get the another result. So geographical condition is also important. Cultural condition is also important. socio-economic condition is also important when I am studying the psychology. Okay, why it is happening? So here I have marked you why this is important to study the psychology. Just marking kar lo aap log. Okay, why it is happening? Second major goal of psychology. That was the first goal. Now, what is the second goal of psychology? Second major goal of psychology is to understand the cause of the observed responses by explaining the fact in a meaningful way. Okay? Meaningful way. Okay, so second major goal of psychology is to understand. Children, I'm telling you, किसी का भी अगर unmute होगा तो मैं remove कर रही हूँ. Okay, मैंने 3 लोग को remove कर दिया है अभी तक. If you all want to get removed, then unmute yourself. Let me finish this chapter, please. Second major goal is what? First major goal was to understand, to need to record the behavior in the socio-economic, cultural and geographical space. ठीक है? Now, what is the second goal? Second goal is to understand कि ये particular person ने इस particular situation में क्यों ऐसा reaction दिया, उसका reason. That is the second goal of psychology. First goal में उसने क्या behave किया वो पता लगाना. Second goal में उसने ऐसा behave क्यों किया ये पता लगाना. That is the second goal of psychology. That how we are explaining, by explaining the fact in a meaningful way. That is the second goal of psychology. First goal, to understand the response. Second goal, what is the reason of that response, to understand that. So if a particular behavior is observed only in one individual, it cannot be generalized to entire population. For example, अगर मैं हूँ, मैंने एक particular situation में behave किया, जरूरी नहीं है वही behavior बाकी के 10 लोग भी करें. There will be the difference in my behavior and with other behaviors. Okay. Predictions. Now, what is prediction? Predictions means what? Whatever study I'm doing right now, how I'm going to write. Because psychology is what? Psychology is all about writing of that particular experimentation. Okay. So, मैं क्या prediction दूँगी? The third major goal of psychology is to predict how a given condition or set of condition will affect or lead to a particular behavior and mental processes of an individual. ठीक है, ये मुझे prediction में डालना है. Prediction involves knowledge about the possible outcomes of behavior. Possibility है कि वो इंसान इसी तरह से behave करेगा. That is called prediction. Now, example. If someone drinks alcohol, it will slow down his reaction. That will increase the possibility of accidents. This is example. So driving after consuming alcohol should be restricted or avoided. Now, controlled. How it can be changed. How it can be changed. So first goal we understood. Second goal we understood. Now, what is the third goal? Third goal में जो भी situation से related reaction है, how it can be changed. वो change कैसे हो सकता है? That we need to understand in this controlling. Control or modification of behavior is fourth goal. Control or modification. First of all, I need to control the situation. Then only I'm able to understand the behavior. Okay. And if I'm controlling the situation, then I have a power to change the behavior also. So अगर control है, तो power भी है. Okay. Situation पे. So controlling behavior means shaping or molding behavior in a particular direction. Controlling means what? Shaping or molding behavior in a particular direction. It is accomplished when the researcher use various principles of psychology to bring successful and smooth changes in behavior. That unwanted behavior pattern can be avoid it. अगर मुझे कोई behavior pattern नहीं चाहिए, so with the help of controlled situation, I can change the behavior of other person. For example, if students remain absent in school, do not study, then school psychologist can help them to find out the cause and modify their behavior. Children, today ICIC and CBSE compulsory है, वहाँ पे एक psychologist होता है who study the behavior of children. जो notorious children होते हैं, the children who don't speak much, so they always give solution to these children, so these children can improve themselves. Okay, so counselor can help them, these students, by making them accept the reason behind it, so that they can modify their behavior wherever there is necessity. Okay, so these are the work of the counselors. So counselors are also psychologists. Now, John Locke. Who was the John Locke? John Locke was an English philosopher in 17th century who gave the theory of mind. This suggested that each child is born as a empty slate, and the knowledge is primarily acquired through learning and experience. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है उसे कुछ पता नहीं होता है, वो सीखता कैसे है? लोगों को देख के, लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करके और अपने एक्सपीरियंस के थ्रू. दैट दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ साइकोलॉजी इज गिवन बाय द जॉन लॉक. नाउ व्हाट प्लूटो सेड? Plato was Athenian philosopher who believed the knowledge is innate, मतलब knowledge अंदर से आता है, ये उनका बिलीव था. What is said by William Wundt, a German physician and philosopher who established the first laboratory in 1879. Children, I'm giving you this marking. Please mark this. Sigmund Freud. What is the work of Sigmund Freud? Sigmund Freud was neurologist and psychoanalyst who put forth the concept of unconsciousness level of human consciousness and asserted that unconsciousness forces have a very strong impact upon the behavior. हमारा consciousness, हमारा unconsciousness का हमारे behavior पे बहुत ज़्यादा असर होता है. This concept is given by Sigmund Freud. Now, John Watson, he was the American psychologist who established the school of behaviorism. Okay, so children, this is all about your chapter story of psychology. Now, हाँ जी बोलिए.
मिस, ऐसे इतने सारे फिलोसोफर्स ने अपनी अपनी मतलब लाइंस रखी है प्रेडिक्शंस के बारे में साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर, तो मिस इनमें से किसी का एक भी गलत नहीं हुआ? किसी का भी गलत नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि टाइम के हिसाब से, सिचुएशन के हिसाब से थियरीज चेंज होती गई. मैं एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ. हमारी इतनी बड़ी ऑल ओवर इंडिया की सोसाइटी है, ठीक है, तो हमारे गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज चेंज होती रहती है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो पॉलिसी उस 5 साल के लिए शायद सही ना हो. सो लाइक दैट जितने भी साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं, जिन्होंने जो भी प्रेडिक्शन किए, जिन्होंने जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट दिए, वो अपने सिचुएशन के हिसाब से सही दिए, बट वो किसी और साइकोलॉजिस्ट के सिचुएशन के हिसाब से फिट नहीं बैठे, तो उन्होंने उसको चेंज कर दिया. सो वी कैन नॉट मेक एनी साइकोलॉजी इज रॉन्ग. ओके, तो मिस कोई भी फिक्स साइकोलॉजिकल मतलब पॉइंट तो नहीं रहेगा ना कि मिस टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होने वाला है.
टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होने वाला है, बट जो साइकोलॉजी का जो रियल डेफिनेशन है वो एक ही रहेगा. ठीक है, अगर स्टडी के हिसाब से साइकोलॉजी के जो टर्म्स होते हैं वो चेंज हो जाते हैं, बट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द स्टडी. ओके, वो स्टडी पे डिपेंड होता है.
बट माइंड खुद को
मुझे एक डाउट है.
एक मिनट, एक सेकंड, एक एक करके पूछेंगे तो ही हो पाएगा. प्लीज. ओके, दिस इज, व्हाट इज योर नेम?
Miss, my name is Sakshi. Miss, in exam, you will be asking the question. That time, you will be, मतलब मिस किसने भी ऐसे साइकोलॉजी का वो डेफिनेशन दिया है, तो अगर मिस आपने वो बोला कि मतलब किसने भी वो डिस्क्राइब किया है, तो आप उसका नाम दोगे ना कि इसने कौन सी साइकोलॉजी दिया और उसका डेफिनेशन लिखने के टाइम.
हाँ, मैं वैसे ही करूंगी. मैं डेफिनेशन लिख कर दूंगी, आप लोग को नाम उसमें से चूज करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो दैट इज व्हाई,
हेलो मिस,
स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने जो भी मार्किंग दी है ना आपको, मैंने जितने भी मार्किंग दी है, कीप इन माइंड. ओके, दिस मार्किंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड.
मिस बट अभी साइकोलॉजी में तो मिस सोल वगैरह के बारे में डिस्कस किया गया है, लेकिन एक्चुअल साइंस में तो सोल एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता ना।
अब एक्चुअल साइंस का तो मैं नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, ठीक है, मैं यहाँ साइकोलॉजी पढ़ा रही हूँ, बट साइकोलॉजी में
Miss, can I ask one question?
soul and mind is explained in psychology. Okay? हाँ, what is your
मिस
name?
कोई डिलीटेड पोर्शन नहीं है
मैम
मिस, माय नेम इज आर्यन।
हाँ, what is your question, Aryan?
मैम कोई डिलीटेड पोर्शन नहीं है साइकोलॉजी के लिए?
नहीं, अगर डिलीटेड पोर्शन होगा I will inform in the group. Okay? Right
Okay, ma'am.
now,
Thank you.
whatever portion is there, that will be given by your teachers.
माय नेम इज शिवराज।
शिवराज बोलिए।
मैम कैम साइकोलॉजी का जो लास्ट का क्या नाम है आप बोल रहे थे पोर्शन में, उसका ब्लर बहुत प्रिंट आ रहा है।
और प्रिंट बहुत ब्लर आ रहा है, मैं ठीक है, मैं फिर से दे दूंगी। चलो,
Miss, my name is Sasank.
यहाँ शशांक बोलो।
Terminology means क्या होता है मिस?
क्या पूछ रहे हैं आप बेटा?
Terminology.
Terminology means terms. For example, behavior. Behavior is what? Term. Okay. Prediction. Prediction is what? Term. Modification is what? Term. Terminology. इसे क्या कहते हैं? Terminology. एक particular term होता है जिसको explain किया जाता है. That is called terminology. Okay.
मिस बट अभी तो खाली हम लोग प्रेडिक्शन ही डाल रहे हैं ना मिस साइकोलॉजी के ऊपर।
Okay, so the particular
Miss-
chapter था. This is
Ma'am.
all about your. Yes. Who's this?
Ma'am, I'm having a doubt.
बोलो.
The exercise, there is a question number 1 in which psychology is the study of dash, and there have given 3 options: mind, soul, and behavior. But in textbook, mind or soul both have given. Which one is right?
Behavior means.
Psychology is a study of behavior. my child. Not
Okay.
mind and soul. Psychology is the study of behavior. So here I am finishing this class. Okay.
मैम माय नेम इज रजनीश।
हाँ रजनीश बोलो।
हेलो,
हाँ बोलो बेटा, सुन रही हूँ, बोलो।
मैं अभी लेक्चर
मैम कैन यू शो द फर्स्ट पेज?
First page.
यस मैम, व्हाट मार्किंग आई गिवन द फर्स्ट पेज?
Okay, okay.
Ma'am,
fine.
can you send the
Marking
PDF
just,
of the markings?
PDF of markings is not possible. आप लोग अभी marking कीजिए please.
मैम एग्जाम में MCQ आएंगे ना?
हाँ, MCQs. Yes. These are the markings of page number 1. History of psychology.
मैम
Science of soul. Okay.
मैम
So अच्छा, अभी किसी ने soul और mind का question पूछा. अभी just किसी ने पूछा था, तो soul and minds are abstract concept. Okay. What is abstract concept? Which cannot be touched, that can only be felt. Okay. So soul and mind are the abstract concept, and psychology is the study of behavior. Okay. चलो.
मिस बट अगर सोल एग्जिस्ट करते होंगे तो मिस ये हॉन्टेड कई सारे पैरानॉर्मल एक्टिविटीज तो रियल होते होंगे ना।
मैम
बेटा वो तो पैरानॉर्मल जो करते
My
हैं
name
उनसे
is
पूछिए आप
Janvi.
प्लीज। यस।
हेलो मैम, माय नेम इज जानवी।
हाँ
मैम
जानवी बोलो बेटा।
साइकोलॉजी का जो टेस्ट होने वाला है वो कौन से डेट पर है? कैन यू प्लीज इन्फॉर्म मी द डेट?
I will let you know in the group बेटा, ठीक है?
ऑनलाइन रहेगा या ऑफलाइन?
ऑनलाइन
ओके
ऑनलाइन।
मैम, थैंक यू।
ओके मिस।
ओके ओके, फटाफट मार्किंग किया आप लोगों ने। दिस मार्किंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट।
मैम कितने
सेकंड
चैप्टर है?
पेज, 2 chapters.
थैंक यू मैम।
मैम फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ टेक्स्ट बुक, पेज नंबर 1, नॉट पेज नंबर 2।
Okay, page number 1. Done?
थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
स्क्रॉल करो ना। 3 फरवरी।
Okay, this is your second, third page. Third page. Okay. This is fourth. Study of behavior, scientific method, mental processes. SOR model, you have to study. SOR model, stimulus, organism, response. Then study of cognition.
मिस पैरानॉर्मल साइंस भी साइकोलॉजी में आती है?
नहीं, that is the another thing बेटा। Psychology at Indian perspective, ये आप लोगों को पढ़ना है बेटा। कोशास, you have to study the कोशास, okay? Just name पढ़ो, उसको डिटेल में नहीं पढ़ना है। Then पतंजलि ने क्या explain किया, that you all have to study, okay? Then last, who have given the concept of mind and behavior in Indian philosophy, in Indian society, okay? That is Jain Tirthankar, Sant Kabir, Samarth Ramdas, Swami Vivekanand. they also have highlighted. Okay, and psychology have what is happening, why it is happening, and what will happen next, prediction and control. Okay, that is the psychology. So now I'm finishing. Okay.
Ma'am.
शिवराज शर्मा. शिवराज
हेलो
रजनी